Let's dive into Apache HBase. HBase is a column family database built on Hadoop for real-time access to big data. What exactly is HBase? HBase is a distributed NoSQL database designed for sparse datasets. Think billions of rows and millions of columns. It is column-oriented, providing real-time access and seamlessly integrates with the Hadoop ecosystem. Let's explore the architecture of HBase. At the heart of it, we have the HMaster, which coordinates the regions, handles load balancing, and manages schema changes. Then there are region servers. Region servers serve data reads, handle writes, and manages regions. Last but not the least, there is Zookeeper for configuration management, cluster coordination, and master election. Let's take a look at column family structure. Here is an example of HBase data model. On the leftmost side, we have row key like user 001, user 002. And then we have personal details with columns like name and age, and contact information with columns like email and phone. For the user John Doe, his age is 30 and email is john@email.com and phone number is 555-0123. Jane Smith has 25 years old and her email address is jane@email.com. HBase comes with several key features. First, scalability. HBase handles petabytes of data across thousands of nodes. Second, real-time access. HBase provides low-latency random read and write access. Third, fault tolerance. It has automatic failover and data replication. And finally, schema flexibility. We can dynamically add columns without any downtime. Let's go over some basic HBase operations. First, we can create table. The command is create table name along with column family names. Second, we can put data into table by specifying table name, row key, column family along with column name, and finally the value. To get the data, specify table name and the row key. If you want to scan entire table, use scan command followed by table name. Let's discuss some HBase use cases. HBase is perfect for time series data, real-time analytics, and content management. However, it's not ideal for complex queries, small datasets, or ACID transactions. To summarize, HBase provides scalable, real-time access to massive datasets in the Hadoop ecosystem. Key features include column family structure, distributed architecture, NoSQL capabilities, and suitability for big data. It's ideal for sparse data with billions of rows and millions of columns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.